Ever needed a keyboard cause your keyboard just rested in peace? Or maybe you are on a touchscreen device and want to make things easy. Well, Windows have a solution for you. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Himanshu here. You're watching GetAssist, and in this video, we are going to learn how you can access on the on-screen keyboard of the Windows. So let's get started. Whether your physical keyboard isn't working or you just prefer to tap on the screen to be more convenient, this tool is a lifesaver for you. So just click on the start menu and search or go for the settings, and then from there go to accessibilities. There, after scrolling, you will see the keyboard option. Click on it and there it is. Just click to turn it on. So here's the keyboard, and to turn it off you just need to disable it. And if you're having a working keyboard and preferring to use the on-screen keyboard, then you have a shortcut. Just type Windows, Ctrl and O. See, it's visible, and when we type it again, it's gone. So that's all in this video. Hope you find this video useful and informative. Give it a like, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.